Topaz Labs is a software company that specializes in AI-powered photo and video enhancement tools. If you're a photographer or content creator, you might be wondering how to turn your skills with these tools into a source of income. Let's explore some ways to earn money using Topaz Labs products, along with the pros and cons of this approach. First, let's look at how you can potentially earn money. One way is to offer photo editing services using Topaz Labs software. You can enhance portraits, restore old photos, or improve landscape images for clients. Another option is to create and sell presets or tutorials for Topaz Labs products. If you're skilled with the software, you could also teach online courses or workshops on how to use Topaz Labs effectively. Now, let's consider the pros of earning money with Topaz Labs. The software is known for its high-quality results, which can help you deliver professional-grade work to clients. The AI-powered tools can save you time, allowing you to take on more projects. Topaz Labs regularly updates their products, giving you access to cutting-edge technology. Additionally, there's a growing demand for enhanced photos and videos in various industries, from social media to e-commerce. However, there are also some cons to consider. The initial investment in Topaz Labs software can be significant, especially if you need multiple products. There's a learning curve to master the software, which requires time and effort. The market for photo editing services is competitive, so you'll need to differentiate yourself. Relying on a single company's software for your income can be risky if the company changes its products or pricing structure. Earning money with Topaz Labs can be a viable option for skilled photographers and editors. It offers the opportunity to leverage advanced AI technology to create high-quality work. However, success requires a combination of technical skills, business acumen, and adaptability. Consider your own skills, resources, and goals when deciding if this path is right for you.